Okay, it's update time again, and here we are in mid-August, and I've got the two main parts of the aircraft together: the wings, the propeller which moves, always good, and the fuselage all stuck together with glue. I've just hold it upside down. I left this tape on to show you what I've done. This part here is a little bit of sprue holding the part of the front of the wing section onto the fuselage section, because the actual part doesn't fit precisely when you glue it in, so you've got to give it a bit of a help by pushing it on with a bit of tape and a bit of sprue there. So that's what I do. So let's take that off a minute. So now, as you can see, that part now is flush with the rest of it. Okay, so that's why I've done that. A bit of tape in there for seat belts. Pardon me. Right, now what else have I got to put together? Of the I've been painting some parts. So I've got the cockpit glass part, the clear part. I've painted with a stick the internal colour. I'll do a bit of silver over that as well, for that the hoop or whatever you call it, for the front of the canopy, and also the canopy itself I've painted. I've also got the flaps painted up, and there's options on this kit for different flap settings, so you can either have them up, or in this case you can have them down. I just slot them in like that, see what I mean, and then you can have it posed downwards. Lastly, to show you, I've got the wheels. Wheels are ready. It's just the gear doors and the tyres and the main struts, obviously. They're all glued together twice, so I've painted those and put them together. So there we are. It's coming along in parts, literally, but you got to take your time if you're going to do it properly. My motto and my modus of operandi. So there we are. See you again next time when we see what I've got by then. Bye.